Hello everyone, welcome to the day 4 of our C++ tutorial series. This is lecture number 3. So I hope you are enjoying the series. Yesterday we learned about data types and typecasting. Today we dive into a key aspect of programming, that is operators in C++. Okay, so basically operator allow us to perform calculations, compare value and manipulate value, or we can say manipulate data. By the end of this video, you have a clear understanding of different type of operators and how to use them in your programming. So let's get started without wasting our time. So the first question is, what are operators? So the answer is operator are a symbol, or we can say keyword that tell the compiler to perform specific operation. So perform specific operation. Think of operator as a tool in a toolbox. Like this is a toolbox and there is something like X, like a tool. Okay, so like that, whether it's addition, comparison, or logical reasoning, or we can say logical decision or whatever. So you pick the appropriate tool as per the performance. Okay, so C++ have several categories of operators, and we have covered the most important one today. Okay, so let wait a second. Categories of operators. Here are the main category of C++ operator. Okay, so I write one by one. That is, first one is arithmetic. It's include addition, subtraction, multiplication. This is the sign of multiplication. Okay, division, and the fifth one is modulus, or we can say remainder. Okay, it's used as a percentage sign. So we will take an example after this, that we will take all the example and demonstration in our compiler. Okay, so let's start. Second one is a relational, or we can say comparison operators. That is, we can compare two value and return a boolean result that is true or false. Okay, so it's include, equal to, not equal to. I will write the symbol as well, that is double equal sign means equals to, and not equals to mean the exclamation mark with equals to. Okay, third one is greater than, less than, and the fifth one is greater than or equal to. that is greater than and equal to. Make the changes like what exactly the symbols are doing and how we are writing that symbol. The last one is that is sixth one is less than or equal to. Less than or equal to. I hope so you get the point. It is already a basic and it's covered in your 1 to 10th or it's very basic. Okay. The third one is logical operators. That is it's include that is decision making. Okay. So it has and and the symbol is this. These are the symbol. Okay. Second one is or, that is double parallel line. Fifth one is not, that is one exclamation mark. I hope so you get the point. Okay. The fourth one is assignment operator. We can say that it's included in a name that it assign a value. Okay. So first one is a basic and the second one like basic values. Okay. Second one is a compound, that is plus equals to, minus equals to, multiplication equals to, and the modular equals to. Okay. So we will take all the example in our compiler. Okay. I'm just clearing out right now what is operators and there are categories. Okay, that important in our coding. Well, most important in coding. Okay. The fifth one is increment and decrement operator. You get this from the name, that is what is meant by increment and decrement. Increment means that is the increase the value and decrement means the value is decreasing. Okay. So it used to increase or decrease a variable value by one. That is, there are two types. Okay, like there are two only. That is increment, that is double plus, and for decrement, that is what, you're right, double minus. Okay. So the sixth one is bitwise operators. That is its bit operators. So it's perform operation at the binary level. Binary, that is one and zero and one value. Okay. So it has and, the sign is single and, or, that is one, XOR, then not, that is approximation sign, then left shift. This one is a left shift and another one is a right shift. Okay. So here are the main operators that use in a day-to-day programming life. Now here are the real world analogs to help you understanding operator better. Okay. Imagine you are in a workspace, that is arithmetic operator, like arithmetics operators, like basic tool like hammer and screwdriver. Okay. To keep a simple task done. Okay. Like we can say it's a hammer and screwdriver. Another one is a relational operator, are like a measuring tapes helping your compare size. Relational operators. So it's assume like we are using def to measure any value. Okay, now moving further, logical operator act like a decision making guide. If it's sunny and warm, go out, otherwise stay in. It's like if else. Okay, so that is logical operator. I hope you get this third one, that is I am not writing any example of this. Okay, so like if else type, करना है या फिर नहीं करना है. Okay, the fourth one is assignment operator are like organizer, assigning items to specific box, like assignment operators, like it's assign task anything. Okay, in simple words like that. I hope so you with this understanding, let's move to the coding demo. Okay, so now I am writing code. So you can fast forward the video, and then after the completion of code you check. Okay, focus to take into. So first arithmetic, that is C out, addition, that is A plus B, then C out, modulus, that is A mod C. Now the second is relational, so it has C out is greater than B. Okay, now the second one is greater than or equals to, then logical, let us, that is C out is sunny and go on. Okay, then assignment operators, that is z equals to 20, z plus 5, or you can say z plus 10, then C out z. Okay, then bitwise, bitwise and okay, then increment and decrement of that integer count 5, C out post increment, that is count. Okay, pre increment, that is minus 5. So this is our code, so let's run. Let's get error in line number 16. So what is that? And so yeah, addition, that is we did write that much clear. Again run the code. So yeah, addition is 13, modular is 1, greater than b 1, greater than or equals to b 1, 1 means that is the value is true, is sunny and warm, 0 that is false, z equals 30, bitwise and 2. So you get the value addition, modular greater than or equals to, and sunny warm, bitwise plus 1 increment. Okay. In the next video we will exploring control structure, like I will write that control structure, that is if else, switch and loops. which allow you to control the flow of your program. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe to the channel. Drop your questions or suggestion in the comment. See you in the next video. Bye bye. Thank you.